what we want to show you is you need to know your role. Why are you there? I think there are probably three reasons that we as lawyers try to get the CPAs into the courtroom to help us. We're trying to get, obviously, the substantive knowledge that you have. We're trying to get the expertise. But we're also trying to get clarity and credibility. Your presence lends both of those. If you can clear things up for the finder of fact, the judge or the jury, beautifully in the way that we as lawyers can't. And you can lend a credibility that no one else can to the situation.